In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw from Binance to another wallet. First, open Binance and head over to your wallet or account balance. You can do this on both desktop and mobile. Here I'm showing you my wallet section. Next, look for Tether USDT. Mine is already visible here, but if you don't see it, just use the search bar to quickly find USDT in your assets list. Once you have located it, select it. On desktop, you'll see a withdraw option on the right side. On mobile, tap on USDT first and then tap withdraw at the bottom. Now paste the wallet address where you wanna send your USDT. I have already copied mine, so I'll just paste it here. After that, make sure to choose the correct network. Binance sometimes auto detects it, but it's very important to double check. In this case, my wallet uses ERC20, so I'll select that. Always confirm the network with the person who gave you their address. Next, type in the amount you wanna send. Binance has a minimum withdrawal requirement. Here it is 50 USDT, but I only have 15, so I need to add more before I can continue. Finally, tap or click withdraw. You will be asked to complete security steps like two-factor authentication or an email verification. Once you confirm, your withdrawal will be processed, and that's it. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.